Welcome, beautiful soul, to the true awakening with Taba. You are here today because you are ready to heal. You are ready to take control. Now, take a comfortable position. You may sit or lie down. Close your eyes when you feel ready. Today, we are going deep into your subconscious mind to gently release stored trauma, dissolve emotional blocks, and reprogram the deep beliefs that no longer serves you. You are safe. You are held. Nothing can harm you here. Breathe with me. Inhale slowly. Hold. Exhale. Again, inhale. Hold. Exhale. Let go of any thoughts you might be having and set your intention now. I am ready to heal. I am ready to be free. Now, bring your awareness to your breath. Feel your body becoming heavier with every exhale. Now, scan your body slowly. Feel your feet relaxing. Your knuckles. Your hips, your calves, your knees, your thighs, the lower back, the upper back, coming to your shoulders, your arms, your hands, your neck, your jaw, your face. Scan your mouth, your tongue, your eyes, your forehead, and your crown. Now, with every breath, tension melts away like ice under warm sunlight. You are sinking deeper, deeper into a state of complete safety and peace. Imagine you are walking down a beautiful staircase. 10 steps. With every step, you go deeper into your subconscious mind. We're gonna start from 10, going down. 9. You're feeling more relaxed. 8. 7. You are safe and protected. 6. 5. Deeper now you are going. 4. 3. You are almost there. 2. 1. You arrive in your second subconscious sanctuary, a peaceful garden or temple that is yours alone. Here, your subconscious is open and ready to receive healing. Bring to mind any heavy emotions, old pain, old blocks you are ready to release. You don't need to reveal them, simply allow them to be seen. Say silently or out loud, I now release all stored trauma from my body, mind, and soul. I release every emotional block that has kept me stuck. I forgive myself and everyone involved. I am safe to let go. Feel dark, heavy energy leaving your body, like black smoke rising and dissolving into light. Breathe it out. Again and again. You are lighter. You are freer. The blocks are dissolving now. Now we plant new seeds in your subconscious mind. Repeat after me slowly, feelingly, each word in your body. I am worthy of love, peace, and abundance. I release all limiting beliefs that say I am not enough. I am safe to feel my emotions and still be loved. My past no longer controls my future. I trust myself completely. I am healing. I am whole. I am free. Feel these new beliefs sinking deep into every cell, every neuron, every layer of your subconscious. They are now your truth. Now, see yourself living from these new beliefs. Confident, light, free, and at peace. Feel the joy. Feel the freedom. This is now your reality. Your subconscious has accepted these changes and it's already working to bring them into your life. Now, take 3 breaths, and when you are ready, Gentle wiggle your fingers and toes. Come back to the room, feeling lighter, clear, and deeply healed. You did beautiful work today. Thank you for trusting this process. I love you. The universe loves you. You are healing. You have healed. Comment "I'm healing" below if you felt the shift. And see you on the next session. Namaste.